The smooth white film is printed with eye-catching images and information. The bag sizes are cut with high precision, then sealed with heat to create complete bags. Automation technology has completely changed the sugar bag packaging production process. Thanks to the automatic system, all steps from printing to sealing the bag are carried out, so each bag contains the essence of science and technology. The transport and canning line is completely automatic, like a hard-working bee, working tirelessly non-stop. It transports products from one stage to another quickly and efficiently, just like a bee moves from flower to collect honey. Beautiful golden croquettes that I can't resist. Taking a bite, the delicious flavor spreads in my mouth, making me extremely excited. The perfect combination of crispy crust and filling inside creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Entering the heat press machine, the soft dough blocks are gradually transformed into flat cakes. The baking system, with carefully controlled temperature, helps the cake cook evenly from the inside out. Finally, the cooling fan gently removes the cakes from the oven, ready to be delivered to consumers. Our flour factory is capable of producing up to thousands of cakes per day, meeting the increasing consumer demand of the market. Thousands of cookies, like shiny golden butterflies, are gliding on the conveyor belt of a $1 million production line. They move rhythmically and gracefully, creating a vivid picture. Each cake factory owns a system of lines and molds to create unique cake styles. Entering each cake factory, we will be overwhelmed by the modern production lines, running endlessly. The machine is like a fairy's hand, gently pouring sweet, delicate drops of filling into each small cake. The flavor of the filling blends with the soft crust, creating a wonderfully delicious dish. Currently, this equipment is being tested to determine the accuracy in measuring, and quantifying cake fillings before being put into mass production. There was a piece of bread left on the claw that raised the handle. Wow, the juicer is also great. Just watching the video makes me feel refreshed. With these gems, you can unleash your creativity and transform them into countless delicious dishes for your family. From hot soups, rich braised dishes, fragrant stir-fried dishes to crispy fried dishes, all can be made easily. Smooth peeling roller combined with cleaning roller system brings very high productivity. Good work like herring, mackerel, or salmon, or heavier work like cod, haddock, salmon, or deep throat. The image of a woman diligently slicing meat for family meals always makes us appreciate and love her. However, now with the advent of raw meat slicers, kitchen work has become easier and faster than ever.